It was all a dream.
Hi guys, so I thought I'd do this quick video right here from my desk. It's actually a little mini tutorial. It is a number 1 on our DIY scale. If you don't know about our DIY scale, go to daily-fair.com and check out the scale. It's right there on the sidebar, and then you'll be able to see how you will fare whenever it comes to our DIY project. So now this is the beginning of a t-shirt series that I have had on my desk, on my list of things to do for about 4 years. As you can imagine, I've collected so many t-shirts. I even reject many t-shirts, but sometimes there's just a cute t-shirt like the one I'm wearing right now. My mood t-shirts. It actually was given by the manager and by Division, you know, the group Division, right after their concert in Atlanta, and I just couldn't refuse. It only came in a size large. Now, over the course of this series, I'm going to show you different ways that you can kind of bling out, suave it up, a collection of t-shirts that you will actually wear, that will be actually suited for your own wardrobe. So this is my standard one. It's great for festivals, it's great for travel, and it just gives it a little extra pizzazz. And like I said, anyone can do this. So what you want to start off is with a standard t-shirt. This one is pretty oversized, and all you'll need are scissors for this project. So lay your t-shirt as flat as you can, smooth out all the wrinkles, because then you'll want to fold it over in half. And this is what I do with almost every single t-shirt I have, even if it's not oversized. I cut off the sleeves. I don't necessarily make it a tank top. I make it kind of like a short sleeve top. And the good thing about this is that once you wash it, the sleeves roll up naturally. And if you need some extra headbands, well, there you go. There's 2 of them right there. I also always take off the color. Usually the casualty is that you lose the tag, but in this case, the tag will be spared. So you just cut off the collar, try to stay as close to the seam as you can, but it really doesn't matter. Again, once you wash it, it's gonna roll up, it's gonna be giving it this cool effect. So there you go. This is normally what I do with all my t-shirts, but in this case, the next thing we're going to do is cut off the bottom hem. And again, stay as close to the seam as you can. All right, so you could just leave your t-shirt like this. It's already cool, man. But what you want to do next is roll it to just right under the armpits, but you can measure it to see where you want the tassels to hang. What we're going to do is make some tassels here, and all you have to do is just cut about an inch and a half apart. The cool thing about this is it doesn't really have to be precise, and you just cut them in a straight line. But this part isn't cool, right? So let me show you how the magic happens here. You just take one of the t-shirts tassels and stretch it out. And now we're cooking with Crisco. And then I always like to just tie a knot at the bottom, but that's not necessary. You don't have to do that. But I always like the way that it looks. It gives this extra kind of hemmed up look. A little more professional, if you will. So just stretch it as much as you can, and this will usually last. I mean, I never have to re-stretch my t-shirt once I make the tassels. So you do it at the beginning, you don't have to do it again, and then again. Here I'm tying a little knot at the bottom. And oh my goodness, guys, here we have our super cool tasseled t-shirt. You can use it for vacay, you can use it for festivals. It takes about 10 minutes to do. Again, it's a DIY on our DIY scale. It's only a 1, so anyone can do it. And here's the look after I've given it a wash. So, how you diggin'? Episode 1 of my DIY t-shirt series. Let me know in the comments, let me know your thoughts if you do it yourself. I want to see pictures, so make sure you give us comments on our blog post, on Facebook, on social media. Find me, let me know. And also share with your friends, because they need to bling out their t-shirts as well. And subscribe. Until next time, cheers to the journey.